Hello and welcome to Teacher 2. Myself Rupam Dhoni. Yesterday we have started a new session that is about the law entrance admission crash course. So this is the day 2 and the session 4. So in the last 3 sessions we have discussed many things about the English, and also I took a class about the reasoning where I have discussed 3 topics. Those were first in this class. I request all of you that go to that video that is already in the YouTube channel, and be there and see all the concepts I have discussed in the last reasoning class. So today I will start a class about the mathematical aptitude or quantitative aptitude. Sometimes you will get a topic like a numericals. Okay, so today is the first day of this numericals or mathematical aptitude, and again I will discuss 3 topics in this particular session for today. So before that, just confirming me that whether uh, sound or video is clear to all of you or not, so that that will be very easy for me that to continue the class. Okay, so fine. So just confirm me that whether the sound and video is everything fine or not. So I will start the session. I will share the screen. Okay, thank you. So as I discussed today, I will start. Just a second. Okay. So as I told that today I will start about the 3 topics of numerical aptitude or mathematical aptitude. That is about what? That is about the numbers, simplification, ratio, and proportion. So you can understood that these 3 topics are basically the part of the aptitude. So aptitude means there is only one formula, that is the practice, practice, practice. Okay, just you have to remember few basic rules or few basic formulas of mathematics, that is up to the class 10, and that is enough for you to solve every numerical problems, every aptitude for this entrance exam, and as well as all the competitive exams. Okay, so here my curricular or my total plan to do the session is about through the mock test or through some question answer solving, so that you can easily understood about the how to solve. Okay, so I am not splitting the questions with the respect of different topics. Rather, I just gather all the questions related to all these 3 type of topics, so that you can easily understand that how the questions will come in the exam. So the first question is what? First question says that in a bag there are coins 25 paisa, 10 paisa, 5 paisa in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. If there is a total 3 rupees in all, so how many 5 paisa coins are there? Yes, I know that many of you did not even see in the 5 paisa or 10 paisa, but yes, that was a very very important coin or very very important terms of valuation uh, in previous years. Fine. So the let me how you can solve it. Okay, that first you can take that the total number of coins is suppose x. Okay, total number of coins suppose x, and that is for what? That is for 25. So 25 paisa is x. Okay, count is x. So as there is mentioned that ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3, so that means how much? So x is to 2x is to 3x. Okay, x is to 2x is to 3x. So that just let these things likewise ratio. Now, so there are total 30 in all, fine. So x into 25, fine, plus 2x into 10 paisa plus 3x into 5 paisa, right? So all of these are in paisa, so you have to convert it into rupees, so by 100, so that will be how much? That will be 30. So by solving it out, you will get 25x plus 20x plus 15x equal to how much? 3000. Okay, so in total you will get 40x. Okay, you will sorry, you will get total your 10, and you will get total 60x equal to 3000, fine. So x will be how much? X will be your 3000 divided by 60, so that will be 50, right? So the how many coins for 5 paisa is there? The you will get 5 paisa is 3x, so 3 into 50 equal to 150, right? So the correct options will be option 3 or option C, fine. So next question is what? Next question is another question for the numericals, that is what? That is again the question for the ratio and the proportion. So the salaries is A, B, C are in ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. If the increment of 50%, 10% and 20% are allowed respectively in their salary, so then what will be the new ratio? Okay, what will be the new ratio? So again you have to take a particular constant for this ratio. So 2 is to 3 is to 5, that means you can take the salary like 2x, your 3x and 5x, right? So the 2x with the increment of 15%, that will be 115 divided by 100, right? Is to new salary, that is 3x into 110 divided by 100, okay, and is to 5x into 120, because 20% is the increment, right? And by 100. So these will be what? These will be the ratio of the new salary. So just do the just simplify it. So 100 will be cut it down, x will be again cut it down, then you can divide all of this with 5, so you will get 115 divided by 5, so that means 23. Here you will get 22, here will you will get 24, right? So again you can divide all the three variables with 2, so 2, then here you will get 11, here you will get 12. So the new ratio will be what? New ratio will be 23 is to 33 is to 60, right? So that will be the answer. So here the option will be C, right? Hope you have clearly understood about how to solve it out. It is very easy, that is the ratio. And for the ratio analysis, or for the ratio type of question, you have to take one constant or one variable, that is x or k, whatever, and then you have to follow the questions. Okay, as I have followed here the increments, so 2x into 115 divided by 100, likewise. Okay, so next question again, that is very important, that is the ratio and proportions, from the topic of ratio and proportions. So what is the question? The mixture, in a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 2 is to 1. So easily you can find out the milk, the amount of milk, how much? The 2 by 3 into 60. So that will be how much? That will be 40 liter, right? And the amount of water will be how much? Amount of water will be 1 by 3 into 60, so that will be 20 liter. Now go to the next question, that if this ratio is to be 1 is to 2, then the quantity of water to be added further. Okay, so just take the quantity of water to be added, that is the x liter. Okay, so x liter you have to add, so that the ratio of milk and water will be 1:2. So the new ratio is how much? 40:20 plus x. Okay, so that is the amount of or quantity of new water, total quantity of new water. Okay, 20 plus x liter equal to how much? 1:2, that is given. So just solve it out. 40 by 20 plus x will be 1/2. So 20 plus x will be your 80 and x will be your 60. So the option will be D. Okay, the option will be D. That's 60 liter. Understood, everyone? That just do comment that if you have any doubt. Okay, so the now next question is what? Next question is about a series. That is a question from numbers. There is a question from numbers. So here the question is, the in a series 25, 49, 121, 169. So what will be the next question? Okay, so what will be the next question? So here you can see there are a lot of questions, a lot of options are there: 225, 256, 289, 361. See, you can understand, or you can see there is a relationship in between this. All of these digits provided here are basically the square of some digit. So 25 is the square of 5, 49 is the square of 7, 121 is the square of 11, 169 is the square of 13. Here also 225 is the square of 15, 256 is the square of 16, right? And your 289 is the square of 17, 361 is the square of 19, right? So here you have to think that which option among these given option uh, will be the value here. Okay, so see, here you can see the another relationship in between that. That what is the relationship? That 5, 7, 11, 13, all of these are the prime number, right? All of these are the prime number. So after 13, what will be the prime number? After 13, the prime number will be 17. So here the options will be 289, option C. Understood? So this is the in this way you can do. So don't think about only the square. You have to think about the relationship in between the square, relationship in between the digit, because all of these digits are basically the prime number, and the digit given in the question is the square of this prime number, respectively. Fine. So in this way you can do. Next question is what? Next question is, the two numbers are respectively 20% and 15% more than the third number. So the ratio of the two number is what? So again the question for the ratio. So just in this case, just take the third number as x. Take the third number as x. So the first number is 20% more than the third number. So first number will be how much? 120x by 100, right? And the second number will be how much? 150x by 100, right? So here the question is the ratio of the two numbers. So just calculate the ratio simply. So 100 will be cut, it x and x will be cut, 0 will be cut, and again here you can divide both the side, in both the side, with 3, right? So 3 into 4 equal to 12, and here it will be the 5. So the option will be how much? Option will be 4:5, right? Option will be the 4:5. So the here the correct option is option C. Okay, the correct option is option C. So in this way you can solve all the ratio question, all the percentage type of question, and the proportion question, right? Next is again the question for the numbers. So here that is very very interesting things. That which one of the following cannot be square of natural number? Cannot be square of natural number. See, what is natural number? Natural number is how much? That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, or whatever. So, and also just consider 0. So again, why I am not taking 10, 11? Because 10, 11 means again the last digit of that number is again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So just do the square of this number. So you will get the last digit of the square. Okay, you will get the last digit of the square. So 0. So what will be the square of 0? Definitely 0. 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 6. That means 16. So last digit is what? Last digit is 6. 5, 25. So last digit is 5. 6. Your 36, so last digit is 6. 7, that is 49, so last digit is 9. 8, that is 64, last digit is 4. 9, 81, that means last digit is 1. So you can see that the last digit always for any type of square number, the last digit will be how much? Last digit will be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. There is no number 2, there is no number 3, 7, 8, right? So if you found anywhere the last digit is 2, 3, 7, 8, so that means that is not the square. That is not the square. So here from these four option you will see that in the first option the last digit is 6, so definitely that is the square number. Second option last digit is 5, so definitely that is a square number. Third digit last digit is 1, definitely that is the square number. But the fourth option last digit is 2, so definitely that is not the square number. You cannot do the square root for this option D. Understood? So in this way you have to do this. So you have to remember every time that what will be the last digit of any square number. What should be the last digit of any square number? The 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay. So next question. Next question is what? Next question is 469 plus 174 whole square. 469 minus 174 whole square and divided by again 469 into 174. So you have to do, or you have to simplify it. So what you will do? What you will do? Will you do? Will you solve this everything the square that you have to you will apply the square formula a plus b whole square a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square a square minus 2ab plus b square? No, there is another formula, and that formula called that 4ab. That formula says a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, right? So just consider a equal to 469 and b equal to 174. So automatically you will get a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by ab. So automatically you will get 4ab by ab equal to how much? Equal to 4. So the second option will be the correct option. Second option will be the correct option, right? Hope you have understood. And so this is the thing, as I already told in the beginning of this class, that you have to remember little bit of mathematical formula. That is the a plus b whole square, or what is the formula of ab, what is the formula of 4ab, like that, so that you that will be easy for you to solve the bigger problem. Okay, so just go to the next question. Next question is that find the number which will come in the place of question mark in the given series. So 14, 25, 47, 91, 179. So again you have to think, again you have to understand the relationship in between that. So how you can do? At first you just identify the gap in between these things, that 14 and 25. What is the gap in between? That in between gap is 11. 25, 47, what will be the gap? 22. 47 and 91, what will be the gap? 44. 91 and 179, what is the gap? 88. So can you find any relationship in between that? Is there any relationship? Answer will be what? Answer will be yes, there is a relationship. Because 11 into 2, 22. 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 2, 88. So the next digit will be what? 88 into 2. So that means 176. So the next digit will be 179 plus 176. How much? That will be that 355. So the third option will be the correct option, 355. Okay, understood that how I've done this 14, 25, 47. So at first you have to check the difference in between that. Okay, you have to check the difference in between that, and next you have to go to the you have to go to the second part or second line, that is multiply. So at first plus, then multiply. So if possible or if required, you have to go to the third stage also. Okay, there are some questions where you have to go to the third stage also. Fine. So in this way you can easily solve the numerical problems. Next question is what? Next question is, a man has some hens and cows. Okay, if the number of heads be 48 and the number of feet equal to 140, then the number of hens will be how much? Okay, number of hens will be how much, right? So see that, just consider the number of hens is how much? X number. Okay, and number of cows how much? Y number. So number of heads, so definitely hey, for hens and cows, everyone has only one head, right? So X plus Y will be 48. So this is what? This is the number one equation, right? But the number of feet will be different for hens and the cows. So for hen there will be 2 feet for each hen. So 2x plus 4 feet of each cow. So that means the 4y will be 140. So that is the number two option, number two equation. So here you have to basically solve these two equation, and you have to identify the number of hens. So that means the value of x you have to identify. So how you will identify? Simply from the your equation x, equation 1, you have to find out the value of y. So y will be 48 minus x. So just replace it. 2x plus 4 into 48 minus x will be 140. So next your 2x plus how much? Your 172 minus 4x equal to 140. So that 2x and minus 4x, so that will be minus 2x. So my, if minus 2x, I am just move from left hand side to right hand side. So that will be how much? That will be 2x equal to 1. If 140 I move from right hand side to the left hand side, so that will be 32. So x will be how much? Just a second. I think there is a little bit. Okay, so 48 into 4. So that will be how much? That will be 192. So 192 minus 140. So that will be your 52, right? So x will be 52 divided by 2. So that is 26. So the correct option will be what? Correct option will be 26. Understood? So the total number of hens is 26 here. Okay. Next question is another very interesting question, that to fill a tank 25 buckets of the water is required. Okay, so the standard amount of water. So standard amount of water in a particular bucket, you can think that 20 liter of water is can be stored in a particular bucket. So 25 buckets of water is required. So how many buckets of water will be required to fill the same tank? To fill the same tank, if the capacity of bucket is reduced to 2/5 of the present. So just let us take that per bucket the total number of water is filled, that is x liter. Total number of water filled, that is x liter. Okay, so the total capacity, how much? Total capacity is 25x liter of the tank. Okay, so now think that if if in a particular bucket the capacity is how much? Capacity is 2/5 of its present. So now in a particular bucket the capacity will be how much? 2/5 into x liter. 2/5 into x liter. So 2/5 into x liter will be consumed by one bucket. 1 liter will be consumed by what? 1 liter will be consumed by 1 into 5 by 2 divided by x. Okay, 25x liter will be consumed by 1 into 5 into 25 divided by 2x. Okay, 25x by 2x, so x will be cut it down, and the option will be how much? Option will be 62.5 liter. Sorry, to your 250 62.5 number. So because your bucket, this right hand side is the number of bucket, so the option will be what? Option will be, correct option will be the C. 62.5 number of bucket is required to complete or to fill the tank. Okay, so next question is what? Next question is, a man has rupees 480 in a denominations of 1 rupee note, 5 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes. The number of notes of each denomination is equal. So what is the total number of notes that he has? So you can take the number of notes. You can take the number of notes of each denomination is equal. So x for everyone. X for everyone. X number 1 rupee note, X number 5 rupee note, X number 10 rupee note. So what will be the total value? So x into 1 definitely, that x rupees, x into 5, 5x rupees, and x into 10, 10x rupees. So in total, x plus 5x plus 10x, that will be 480. 480. So just solve it out. 16x equal to 480. So x will be how much? X will be 30. Okay, x will be 30. So the question is what? The total number of nodes. So all the number of nodes are equal. So 30 into 3. So 90 will be the correct option. Okay, 90 will be the correct option. See, always I tell about that you have to take a particular individual constant, that x and k. So here you have to very careful uh, that to take the x for what, that you have to be very careful. Otherwise will be the easy. Otherwise go as per the question. Fine. So next question is what? Next question is, find the next number in the series 125, 80, 45, 20. Again, you have to identify the relationship in between that. So just take the difference in between all these things, that here the difference is 45, here the difference is how much? Here the difference is 35, here the difference is how much? 25. So it's very easy. Just you can, again you have to go to the third step, that all the gaps is 10. So again there will be a gap of 10. So 15. So 20 minus 15 will be how much? 5. So the correct option will be 5. Understood? So this is very easy. You have to identify the relationship in between all of these numbers, and you will readily get the correct options. Okay, next is another interesting questions. That is what? That is complete the thing, that which of the following numbers will completely divide these things? Means that you have to identify the number which can divide these total number. Okay, this total number which can be divided. So how you can do? Just you don't need to calculate all of this value. Just simply there is a trick. So what is a trick? See that 4 into 4 to the power 60, then 4 square into 4 to the power 60, then 4 cube into 4 to the power 60, then again 4 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 60. So here you can take the common 4 to the power 60 plus 4 plus 16 plus how much? 64 plus how much? That is what? That is 196. Okay. So this is only the thing you have to calculate. So what will be the total of this? That 4 plus 16, that will be the 20, 20 plus 64, that will be 84, 84 plus 196. So how much? That will be 4 to the power 60 into 280. 4 to the power 60 into 280. Just see that which of these following options is completely divisible from 280 into 4 to the power 60. So definitely there is a last digit is 0. So here the last digit is 0 for 10. So the correct option will be 10. Okay, the correct option will be 10. Next is the largest 4 digit exactly divisible by 88. So here you have to calculate little bit, because what is the largest 4 digit? 9999. So just divide it, simply divide it. 1 here, 88 you will get 1199. So next how much you will get? You can consider it as your 0, and you can consider it your just do it with take an example for just a second. There is a technical. Just a second. There is a technical glitches. Mm, your okay, okay, fine. So just next after one, that is 11, you will get 11, then 9. So after 9 again you just consider 1. So again 88. So 9 1 3. So here you can consider it 3. So 3 into 8 24 2, and 3 into 8 24. So 26 will be there. So 5 and 5, right? So 5 and 5 55 will be the remainder. So just subtract 55 from 9999. So 9944 will be the correct options, which is exactly divisible by 88. Okay, exactly divisible by 88. So the next question is what? Next question is 1397 into 1397. What will be the option? Will you do the multiply like that? No. So you have to apply the formula. So 1397 square. 1397 square means 1400 minus 3. So a minus b whole square. So 1400 square minus 2 into 1400 means 2 into a into b plus 3 square. Okay, so 14 square how much? 196, then 00. So there will be 40. Okay, so here how much? 3 into 1400. So 4200 into 2. So that means 8400 plus 9. Okay, so here you have to do little bit calculation. So 4, that will be 6 9 1. Your 591. Okay, plus 9. So Just see 1951609. So the correct option will be option A. Okay, correct option will be option A. Last question for today. That is what? That is 112 into 5 to the power 4. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Again, you have to do in a tricky way. So 112. Okay, 112 into, just consider that your 5 to the power 4. So here you consider 5 into 5 cube. You can take, no problem. So 5 into 112, easily you can do 560 into 53. So you just do it in a single manner like that. That again into 5. So how much? 500 56 30. So 0 in hand 3. So 5 5 25. So 2800 into again 5 into again 5. So again you will get 005840. So again 4. So 5 into 2 10. So 114. Again 5. So again 000 14 into 5. How much? 70. So the correct option will be what? Correct option will be option B. Okay, correct option will be option B. So in this way you can solve the every questions. So thank you. So this is all about I want to share today in this live session for the numerical aptitude or quantitative aptitude. So today I have discussed about three topic, that is number one is ratio and proportion, and also the numerics or numerical series, okay, and also the simplification. So all of these three topic are very very scoring for your any competitive exam or any the admission exam where you will get the aptitude. Fine. So if you have any doubt regarding any question from this aptitude, please do comment, and also you can join in the WhatsApp group provided in the description box, and you can ask about your doubt, and we will discuss, and I will make you understand that how to solve these numerical problems easily. Okay, so hope you understood. So I am just quitting the class for the day, and tomorrow again I will come with another session of reasoning. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.